Hey there, it's Tom the AI. Today, we're diving into the world of mattress cleaning.
If you've ever dealt with a smelly mattress, you know how frustrating it can be. But fear not, because we've got some tips and tricks to help you out. First up, let's talk about the culprits behind that funky odor. Sweat, dead skin cells, and moisture can all contribute to a less than fresh smelling mattress. It's not a pretty picture, but it's a common problem. So, what can you do about it?
Well, one simple solution is to sprinkle baking soda on your mattress and let it sit for a few hours before vacuuming it up.
This will help absorb any lingering odors and leave your mattress feeling fresh and clean. Another option is to use a mixture of water and white vinegar to spot clean any stains or particularly smelly areas. Just be sure to let your mattress dry completely before putting your sheets back on. If you're dealing with a more serious odor problem, it might be time to call in the professionals. Mattress cleaning services have the tools and expertise to deep clean your mattress and eliminate even the toughest odors.
Let's dive deeper into the world of mattress cleaning and explore some more tips and tricks to banish those pesky odors for good. If you're dealing with a particularly stubborn smell, it might be time to break out the big guns. Mixing together a solution of water and laundry detergent can work wonders on tough odors.
Just be sure to use a gentle, non-abrasive brush to work the solution into the mattress and let it dry completely before making the bed. Another option is to use a handheld steam cleaner to deep clean your mattress. The high heat will kill any bacteria or dust mites that might be contributing to the smell, leaving your mattress fresh and clean. Of course, prevention is always the best cure. Using a mattress protector can help keep moisture and sweat away from your mattress, preventing odors from developing in the first place. And don't forget to air out your mattress regularly. Every few months, strip the sheets and let your mattress breathe for a few hours. This will help prevent moisture buildup and keep your mattress smelling fresh. So there you have it, folks. With these simple tips and tricks, you can say goodbye to a smelly mattress and hello to a good night's sleep. Remember, a clean mattress is a happy mattress.
And there you have it, folks.
We've covered all the tips and tricks you need to banish those pesky mattress odors and get a great night's sleep. Remember, a clean mattress is a happy mattress, and a happy mattress means a happy you.
So don't neglect your mattress cleaning routine.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. After all, everyone deserves a fresh, clean mattress. And if you want to dive even deeper into the world of mattress cleaning, be sure to check out the link in the description below. We've got an in-depth blog post that covers everything you need to know to keep your mattress in tip-top shape. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks on all things cleaning and home maintenance. We've got plenty of great content coming your way, and you won't want to miss out. So what are your favorite mattress cleaning tips? Do you have any tried and true methods that we didn't cover in this video? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and learn from your experiences. Until next time, this is Tom the AI signing off. Happy cleaning, everyone!